Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another Launch and Learn with Product Management. This afternoon we have Sharon, Jason, Steven, and myself, Lee. And Sharon will be presenting our new link builder and how it can be used to create direct checkout links. Take it away, Sharon.
Good afternoon. We're going to talk about a new item for our store product. It's called Link Builder, and you can locate Link Builder under Setup Site Links. A lot of you may or may not be familiar with this page, but what your site links allow you to do is take links that are common links for your store and be able to take them and offer them up so that you can quickly access those links. There's links to mobile store if you have a mobile add-on, and if you don't, you should really get one. You know, the view cart links, what does the actual link to the view cart look like, etc. A secondary tab has been added to the site links page to allow us to create new product link configurations. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating products that you might want to offer to your merchant or to your customers as a one-time offer, or you're running a special promotion. You want to be able to surround that product with a different master template than the one that you currently use on your store for some reason or another. Maybe you're running a special promotion or campaign, and that's something that you would like to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step you through creating a product link configuration, and then I'll show you how to take that link configuration and tie it to a specific product, so that then you can offer that product up on a social media site. You can offer it up on a blog, a custom page on your store, a custom page on your brochure website, wherever you want to offer that. And that offer will be offered to your customer with the surrounding template. So I'll go in and create a custom product link configuration, and all I need to do is give this link configuration a name. So I'm going to call it campaign. Actually, I'll call it addresses campaign, and I will then go in and assign it to a template. Now, I've actually created a template called I'm using a master template called Urban Flair, and Urban Flair is one of our it's one of our premium templates. What I've done is I've done a little bit of modification to that premium template, because essentially I want to offer this product, but when I get to the end, to the checkout, I don't want somebody actually being able to navigate out of that offer to the different categories that are offered on that template, as well as there's links and URLs that take you to different places in the store, but I really want them to go and check that product out on the checkout page. So I've created one called Urban Flair Mod, and in which I've removed all of the links from that template. Another thing that I have the ability to do with creating my product link configuration is the ability to assign this configuration to an affiliate ID. So essentially, if I'm running an affiliate program within my store, I would be able to enter an affiliate ID into this area. And what I could then do is, once I had this link configuration created, I could then provide this to my affiliate, and he could then drop it onto his website or onto his blog. Now, when somebody clicked it, then that affiliate, whose number I've assigned here, will get credit for the sale. It's a very powerful tool, and it's one that we think is well worthwhile implementing an affiliate program for. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a quantity. Now, a quantity means when this link configuration is clicked, the product will be added to the cart with a quantity of, by default, it's added with a quantity of 1. but I could say, you know what, I want them to purchase 5 of these, so I'm going to add a quantity of 5 to the cart. The next option on your product link configuration is called the clear cart before adding the product. What this does is if the customer was already shopping and they had something in the cart, I wouldn't want them to then, or I may want them, it depends on what your scenario is. You may want to go ahead and clear that shopping cart prior to adding your special offer. Or if you leave it like this, if they were shopping prior, they'll still see the items that they had been shopping for in their cart because that's stored in their session. So I'll check that box and say let's clear the cart before adding our product. The next thing is our link behavior. So what do I want this link to do? Do I want to send the customer directly to the checkout process, or do I want to send the customer to a product-specific destination URL? So your product-specific destination URL is stored with your product. You can actually send them to a squeeze page prior to sending them to that checkout process. So depending on your flow and what you want to do with the customer, you can navigate them to a specific location using this product-specific destination URL. And I believe that you will find that under the Manage Products, under links, there's your product-specific destination URL. I'm going to send my customer directly to the checkout process with this. And the last section that I'm going to look at is my link display. Now, by default, we create 2 things. We create your URL first, so that if we just dropped a URL into the browser, like I have here, it would actually show you immediately the checkout process with the product that I'm going to be adding to the cart. It also creates text link, which would be a piece of HTML code that would have add to cart as a hyperlink that you can drop into any HTML area, such as a blog, such as a website, and that would be the link it uses. Or I have implemented also the ability to actually choose one of the default buttons from my shopping cart. So if you'll remember back before we were actually releasing Link Builder, on a product level you were able to select your Add to Cart button. Now that's done with product link configuration. You would choose that prior to selecting which product it goes with. And the last option I have is selecting a custom image. So I can actually select from my media library a custom image that will appear with this link, so that I could create, I could use a button, or I could actually, use an image that would be used in an HTML code that I could drop in, and when they clicked the image of this dress, it would take them to the shopping cart for that product. Okay? So let's see if I've got a button here that I want to use. If I don't, I can actually go to my desktop, choose the file that I'm looking for. I've got an Add to Cart button, and I'll take that button and insert it as my default image. So you can see that the link display will now default to an Add to Cart button. And this is only for my dresses campaign. So this is specifically using this template with this affiliate ID, quantity of 5, clear cart before adding product, and then sending the customer to the checkout process. All right? So once I've saved that link configuration, then I'm going to assign it to a product. Okay, so now that I've come over to my products area, I can create a custom product link in a couple of ways. I can either choose a saved link that I've already stored within my setup site link builder, or I have a quick link builder. I can actually create a quick link, and you'll notice that the quick link is exactly the same method by which we have just created a custom product link. So essentially what a quick link would allow me to do is I could go in and run the same steps that I did before, assigning the affiliate ID, the cart quantity, the clear cart before adding the product. I can define my link behaviors as well as upload a custom image. And when my links are generated, what this would do is it will give me my 1-2-step checkout links according to which template that I've just chosen, but these are not stored anywhere. So basically, I'm creating these for an on-the-fly quick link to give to someone. So it's not that I'm wanting to save this information. I'm just wanting to do a quick and dirty link builder. All right. So assigning a product link, essentially, I'm going to go in and I'm going to choose a saved link. Now, I've created a saved link called Deal of the Day. And with Deal of the Day, what happens is when I select the link, the specific link, it will then create a special URL for me.